Hello everyone. In previous lecture we discussed exercise 11a. Now we discuss exercise 11b, and in which question number first is each side of an equilateral triangle is denoted by L. Write the rule for its perimeter using L. So, as we know that all side of the equilateral triangle is equal, so perimeter of the equilateral triangle is 3 into side and its perimeter is 3L. Here, first we draw the figure of equilateral triangle, and in which we know that all the side of equilateral triangle are equal. AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CA, and in the problem side of an equilateral triangle is given, which is L. So suppose AB is equal to L. Since all sides of equilateral triangles are equal, so BC is also L and AC is also L. Then perimeter is equal to 3 into side. So P is equal to 3 into measure of side is L. So 3 into L. So we get P is equal to product of 3 and L, which is 3L units. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3L units. In this exercise, question number 2 is the side of a rhombus is denoted by L. Express the perimeter of the rhombus using L. As we know that rhombus is a type of a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal, and it is also a parallelogram. So suppose A, B, C, D are the vertices of rhombus, and since all sides of rhombus are equal and side of the rhombus is given, which is L, then BC is also L, CD is also L, and DA is also L. So perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into side, and here given that measure of side of rhombus is L, so side is equal to L, and product of 4 into L, 4L units. This is the perimeter of rhombus. And next problem is question number 3, which is the side of a regular pentagon is denoted by L. Express the perimeter of the regular pentagon using L. We know that pentagon is a type of a polygon in which all sides of a regular pentagon are equal. So first we draw the figure of pentagon, regular pentagon, which is like this. and its vertices are suppose A, B, C, D and E, and measures of each side is L. So measure of AB is L, measure of BC is L, measure of CD is L, measure of DE L, measure of AE which is also L, because pentagon is regular. So perimeter of regular pentagon is 5 into side, 5 into side, and we know that side is L, therefore 5 into L, and product of 5 and L which is 5L units. So perimeter of regular pentagon is 5L. And next problem is question number 4. Question number 4, in which question is saying that to find the product of three numbers 6, 7 and 8, we can have three ways. First, we may first multiply 6 and 7 to get 42, and then multiply it by 8 to get product 336. Then we have to write the numerical expression of this sentence. So in first we have to write the required expression, which is required expression is equal to, in sentence saying that first we multiply 6 and 7, then in round bracket we write 6 into 7, and then multiply it by 8. So after that multiply by 8. It is the required expression for the sentence first. And in the second, saying that we may first multiply 7 and 8 to get 56, and then multiply it by 6 to get product 336, which is equal to 336. In second, the required expression is equal to, here first multiplied 7 and 8, so in round bracket 7 into 8, and then multiply it by 6, so multiplied by 6, and finally we get in this case also 336. And in third, we may first multiply 6 and 8 to get 48, and then multiply it by 7 to get the product 336. So required expression, of this sentence is equal to, here first multiply 6 and 7. So in round bracket we write 6 into 7. After that multiply by 8. Sorry, 6 into 8, and after that multiply by 7. So we write here 7, which is also equal to 336. So these three ways of write the numerical expression of the given sentences. In first sentence we write expression 6 into 7 in round bracket into 8, and in second expression we write 7 into 8 in round bracket, after that multiplied by 6, and in last, which is third sentence, we write the numerical expression 6 into 8 in round bracket, after that multiplied by 7. And in all these conditions, answer of the numerical expressions are 336.